Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to create a desktop shortcut for any website so you can open it quickly like an app. Let's begin step by step. First, open your web browser, for example Google Chrome. Now go to the website for which you want to create a shortcut. For example, you can open YouTube, Gmail, or any other website. Once the website is fully loaded, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Cast, Save and Share option, and then select Create Shortcut. A small window will appear. Here, you can rename the shortcut if you want. Now click on Create. The shortcut will now appear on your desktop. You can double-click it anytime to open the website instantly. This is very useful for frequently used websites. And that's how you create a desktop shortcut for any website.